What you're going to learn here today is how do you remove the spark plugs and how do you refit the new spark plugs on a BMW R NineT Racer that hark back to the 70s race bike. So you're going to need a T30. You're going to need a extension. You're going to need a 14mm thin wall socket because BMW love using thin walls. You need a torque ratchet, you need a ratchet, you need a spring pull for the cover on each cylinder to pull the covers for the spark plug. And then if you want to treat yourself, get this tool, which is a BMW ignition coil puller, and it's really good at pulling out ignition coils. That's the tools you're going to need. So, got a lovely coil pack here. Ready?
No. Thin wall only.
Twin spark. Alright. Yeah, twin spark. It's been in there forever. Black as the ace of spades, not.
Don't use anti-seize on these threads because it already has a sacrificial layer. By using anti-seize on these threads, all you'll be doing is altering the torque. You'll be over-torquing them.
Excellent!
The next cylinder is a repeat of the first one. fixing, fixing, fixing. And only now, after you take this cover off, do you get access to the bottom ignition coil. You still got to take this cover off though. And this coil pack, you just got to keep wiggling until it pops out. Wiggle it. It's been on there for a long time. Yay, well done.
Should I do this one first? The reason he's able to do it is because the extension has a diamond cut edge on it, so it's grippable. With cheap tools, you don't get that, you just get the chrome vanadium, and this means no cross-threading, no mistakes.
Yeah, cooked in it. It's been there forever. Let's put a fresh one in, shall we? Jesus. That's proper black, that is. Yeah. Started to go on and then it's kind of just stopped. Does it fall off? No. Does it pull off incredibly easily? No. I'd say it's on then. You're just fighting it. This is very normal for someone to keep fighting these coil packs, thinking they're need to keep pushing, but it's on. You just don't get that satisfying click with them. The fact that it doesn't fall off and doesn't easily pull off says it's on. It'll feel a bit weird. Careful, you smack yourself in the face then. You gotta be careful. See how easy that was though? And those spring pullers are like 99 pence. Okay, so get yourself one. It's the sort of thing you might use on these. It's really, really cheap and easy to use. Right on, I like you pushing down on it, that's good. You can go right and left with it. It's moving, it's coming out. There you are. Nice and easy now. You don't want to be tugging on these wires. That's it. I let it dangle just nicely. Sweet. Well done.
a lot of fake spark plugs on the market at the moment, isn't there? You've got to be so careful where you buy them from. Top job. Okay, and that reassuring you won't wear BMW. But can you pull the coil pack out with your fingers? Nope. I'd say it's in then.
Yeah, it's not a straightforward job because there are 2 spark plugs. So yeah, it's mainly getting the cover off to access a spark plug in the center that can put up a bit of a fight. But it's quality BMW engineering, so actually, compared to some motorcycles, this is one of the easiest spark plug changes. So I hope this has helped you. Got a coffee.